channel Payal's Recipe. Today I'm going to show you how to make vegetable korma. So let's get started. The ingredients for this recipe are: you need some oil, some whole spices, a teaspoon of jeera or cumin seeds, a teaspoon of salt, 2 teaspoons of red chili powder. Again, this is the degi mirch or Kashmiri lal mirch powder for color. I have some vegetable korma masala, or you can use any garam masala or kitchen king masala for the flavor. I have a teaspoon of cumin powder, 1 teaspoon of dhania or coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, little juliennes or pieces of ginger, little bit of garlic and some cilantro. And this is 1 to 1.5 tomatoes. Since we're making vegetable korma, we need a lot of vegetables. I have some potatoes, cauliflower, peas, some red bell peppers, mix of carrots and green chilies, some cottage cheese or paneer, 2 onions sliced into long slices, and a cup of yogurt. So first we need to heat the pan and add the oil. Once the oil gets heated, I add these onions. We need to fry them till they are golden brown. You can see the onions, they're fried well. And now I add the garlic to this and the ginger and saute for another 1 minute. And now we add the tomatoes and saute the tomatoes for a few minutes, and then we need to grind this whole mixture. So our tomatoes have softened, and now I'm going to turn off the gas and grind this whole thing, all the tomatoes, onions, ginger, garlic. Now we need to saute all the vegetables, so I add a little bit of oil and let the oil heat, and we add the whole spices and the cumin seeds. Let them crackle a little before we add the vegetables. And we mix them slowly and let them cook for a few minutes. So our vegetables are frying, as you can see, and I'm going to cover this and keep it on low flame for about 5 minutes. I'm also adding the cottage cheese or the paneer pieces and let it cook for another 2 minutes. We're going to add all the dry spices in this yogurt. Turmeric, salt and turmeric I just added, cumin powder, coriander powder, the red chili powder and the masala. So mix it up well. So mix all the masalas well in this yogurt. So our vegetables have been simmering for about 10 minutes on low flame, and now I'm going to add this yogurt mixed with all the spices. After adding the yogurt, I'm going to add this paste that we made out of the tomatoes and the onions, ginger, garlic. Now I also add the cilantro, and I mix everything well and let the vegetables simmer on low flame for about 10 minutes till all the juices and the masalas get infused in the vegetables. Our vegetable korma has been simmering for about 10 minutes. And I can get that fragrance of all the spices. And this dish is now ready. Our vegetable korma is now ready. If you enjoyed watching this delicious recipe as much as I enjoyed cooking this for you, do like, comment and subscribe to my channel Payal's Recipe. And thanks for watching my video. Till next time, bye bye.